We recording. Dang. Recording fast.
Alright.
Welcome to Big Boss Rock Wall Kennel. As y'all can see, I hope y'all can see. Y'all see my line, man, country white boy we just put up. And we're gonna put chicken, like not a real, I mean it's real chicken because it's chicken, but the chicken I already cut up in big old like the duck part of the chicken, the wings, stuff like that. I'm gonna put these on the line, and I'm gonna let the dogs go in it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put these what I'm gonna hang the chicken with. These right here. This right now, that's what I'm gonna hang the chicken. Have one on each side. I hope, you know, all whatever. Y'all can see kind of clear. Just something, you know what I'm saying, something different. What we're doing, something different. I'm gonna have to make my water kind of like, y'all see the stuff falling down? Chicken up in a minute. That's how it's gonna go, y'all. Bring it up, bring the camera up a little bit, about to talk to the people. Yeah. Just something with the dogs, we just have fun and do something different and just chill. We ain't doing nothing anyway. We just chilling with the dogs have fun. In the back, we can make a lot of games for the dogs. This is just like a game. We're gonna have the dogs running, jumping, and whoever grabs, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be easy to grab. It's gonna be a little easy, fun game. That's what it is. What you think, like country white boy?
Yeah, they're gonna enjoy it.
They gonna enjoy it?
Yep.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, they gonna enjoy it, man. Like country white boys, they gonna enjoy it, man. I'm gonna let them just growl, and I'm gonna have to do this rope again. Cause I see now, this ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work. I should have got that one I was thinking about. It goes on the tree, it tightens up. They can grab and they can bite it down. And try to, y'all can see how they bite for it. They bring it down. But this right here, they gonna bring this whole rope down. Nah, for real, they gonna bring the whole rope down, man. Yeah, man, we gonna, y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back with y'all. Y'all, yeah, like I said, y'all see it. This is what we using. Hold up. The whole young chicken. Big boy. Yeah, we got a couple of them things. I got more than that. I got some in the freezer, but I ain't gonna use all of them right now. That's just we finna let them see what they do here. Let them know. The dookie shooter right there, y'all. That's a dookie shooter. Do it again. That's a dookie shooter. That's a dookie shooter. Yeah, man. We'll be right back with y'all in a minute, y'all. We're gonna hang these things up. I'm telling y'all. But hey, y'all better stay tuned, cause I don't know what they gonna do, but I think in my head I know what they gonna do. It's gonna be gone. The dookie shooter. We'll be right back with you. It's hard now. Oh, let's see what it do. Y'all see the dookie shooter.
Actually, that's the head.
That's the head, but this the dookie shooter. Y'all see it? I'm talking, I ain't got no head. Y'all, I think I'm gonna do it like, I'm gonna put it in here. Do it like this. We're gonna do this thing. This is how we're gonna do this thing. Do it like this, y'all. Heavy dookie. Heavy. Heavy. We're gonna do it like this, though. I think I'm gonna do it like this. You know what? I'm gonna do it like this. I tie it. It's like this. Yeah. What you gonna do? You gonna grab it, but they can. You know what I'm saying? Going like this, just like that. Don't let it fall on the ground. Yeah, buddy, y'all. Y'all see it. Ooh, she shit it.
Shit it a lung or something. She shit it her neck out.
She shit.
Finally fixed the line.
He just don't want to act right today.
You need to use them long ones.
Here.
That one too
That
short.
was short. He just don't want to act right.
Here, go, give me them and go get the hose and rinse that off real quick.
This is the chicken.
No.
What?
Well,
Nah,
yeah,
go
okay,
wash.
take it over there.
Wash it off. This is the thing. Just don't care, huh? Y'all just manage. Y'all don't care about nothing. I taught y'all better than that. You look at the line, that line just like a disappear once you get to it. You know that?
Yeah, mess with your eyes.
Mess your eyes?
Yep. You feel like I'm cross-eyed or something.
Yep. Y'all, we be right back with y'all. Let me get done with this, man. I don't want y'all to be. I don't want you. Be right back.
Y'all, he having too much fun.
Yeah.
I should have never fixed this line.
He having too much fun, y'all.
Yes, we out here chilling, y'all. Y'all, we gotta have fun, y'all. Y'all gotta, you know.
Yeah, have a little bit of fun.
Yeah, we gotta have a little bit of fun, y'all. I'm gonna get it done, y'all. We getting it done. We got white boy, we got country white boy out here with us. You know, well, you know, we rigged up this, you know. It is what it is, you know, content, you know. Yeah, man, we out here just chilling.
I finally fixed the line for them.
Getting it done, man.
Yeah, dog. Y'all, this line making me feel cross-eyed every time I look at it. It do.
Oh, there you go again.
It's the last
It's a hard night life for us. It's a hard night life for us. Daddy, yeah, let it say. Woo wee.
That's the dookie shooter.
That's the dookie shooter. Keep. Ooh wee. Yeah, we out here chilling.
Oh my lord, they just so damn funny when he wants to be.
Yeah, they finna grab this.
They're gonna try to tear
They
it off.
finna grab this, y'all. But we gotta keep it away. Playing keep away.
Yeah.
Keep away game.
All right,
Say it
so
like that. Yeah,
we're gonna I'm gonna see who he want out first, and once we get them out, I'll be right back.
Get on that other side. It's all night for us.
All right, y'all. Let me go get the dogs. I'm finna let out freaking Frack. Freaking Frack. Boss. Boss. Got Nike. Hold on, y'all. You can't let go. Up. Boss got him a wing. Boss got him a wing. Freaking Frank, they trying to be all prissy with it. Boss want the whole thing, y'all. Oh, she got the hand. Let me get one more, y'all. Hold on. Here come all three. Oh man, Boss got the whole. Look at this, y'all. Oh, you want black too? I left for you. Okay, hold on. Come on, black. Look at this, y'all. He got the whole thing. Oh, Mo 3, you just got out here. We got a half chicken left, a whole chicken, and another whole chicken. Who gonna get it? Who is that? Chanel working on one? A half? Black, what you gonna do? You gonna get up? Black got the other half.
This is too fun. We should do this more often, you guys.
Nike, what you gonna do?
It's a good thing I fixed his line this time, too.
Nike.
Nike, what you gonna do? Nike.
You got two. Come on, Roxy, what you gonna do? Your sister ain't gonna give you nothing. Mo 3, you got a whole chicken over there. All right, somebody finna get it.
Look.
Oh, Roxy finna get it. Oh, let me take this hook out. Hold on. There you go.
It's the hard knock life for us. It's the hard knock life for us. What do you say?
Set free and free. Every and free. It's a hard knock life.
Y'all see it.
Mo 3, you just want to take the chicken down, but don't want it.
Why you even doing that in case?
Boss said, y'all ain't got to tell me twice.
He literally ripped it off.
They ain't killing it because it's like, they can't believe it. We got a whole chicken, Daddy? Really? Really? Chicken.
Chicken blood.
Chicken.
Yep.
No chicken. Chicken. No chicken.
Chanel over there, turn it up. She said, y'all ain't got to tell me twice. I'm finna do what it do. Black doing what it do.
Cheese tastes real good.
Black turn it up. Roxy done took over the chicken that Mo 3 snatched down.
With no head on it. Can I get a 2-piece? Can I get a whole chicken? With the booty shooter?
The booty shooter.
Nike, you got a whole chicken up there. You ain't even attempted to try to get.
I bet you one thing. I let them other goons out.
Oh yeah, them other ones, they gon' go for what they know.
Yeah, buddy, y'all. Here, bring them close to you. Yeah, buddy. Just a little fun. Having a little fun. I told you, Big Boss Rock Wild Killers, we can have a little fun around here. That's what we do. Yeah, man. We can have a little fun.
Uh-oh. Oh, no.
I bet y'all can't do it.
Try and get one of the
Dang, Chanel, it's gone.
Let's see what this is.
She killed it.
Hey, I'm gonna let keep them. Don't let them get that.
Oh, shoot.
Oh man. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Hey y'all, I gotta let Debo get that. I'm gonna bring Debo out here. I'm gonna put them up.
You ripped that one off.
Put them up. Here.
I wasn't paying attention. She got me. She's like this. Hey, she's like, I'm gonna teach you this. I'll get you when you're not paying attention.
Let's go give Beast some.
Y'all can put my hand. You know, that chicken's so big, you can't see my hand. You feel me? Here, like. Hey, Mace. What you? You want it? You want it, boy? Give me, lick my hand. You want it? You want this? Huh? You want this? Tell me yes. If you shake your head like this, say yes. Do this.
He said I sat down. Ain't that good enough?
You want it? Yes, sir.
He said, you know I don't like nobody looking at me while I eat.
No, just other people.
Uh-huh.
I'll be right back with y'all. Y'all stay tuned.
Got out here now. What you gonna do, Debo? What you gonna do, Diamond? You better move your fingers.
I am once he jumps. Nope. Okay, keep away.
Let me smell it.
You could grab it if I do that.
Let me smell the other one.
Oh shit! I knew it. I knew it. Debo got hit one, y'all.
Let Diamond smell it.
Diamond. She's like, I don't want this.
She always do that. You better get you some, little girl.
You better get it before he gets a hold of it. Come on. Just try to rip it off.
Just let it go. Let it go.
No, Diamond.
Yeah, she. Hey, move, Diamond.
You got. If he gets done and she don't eat this,
Come on, Diamond.
She, you know, Diamond. She prissy. She like freaking Frank. She prissy. Yeah, rip her some off.
I don't want to rip the whole thing off.
Diamond prissy, y'all. That's why I named Diamond. See?
There you go.
Diamond. He just.
Pick
He made us look bad over here.
Yes.
Get it, Diamond.
Get it. Get it, Diamond.
Diamond,
You
you.
doing it because she on camera, y'all.
Uh-huh.
She shy.
Any other time, she
She like a fat kid. She want to be
crunch
shy.
that joke up just like Debo doing.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right, no. You're gonna
Everybody got chicken. Hey. Chew your food.
chew your food, children.
It's good, Debo.
But
Huh?
you never had that much chicken by yourself in a while, have you? When was the last time you had that much chicken?
Shoot, the other day. That was Debo saying that, y'all, not me.
Now she's trying to eat it.
Diamond is prissy.
Yeah, she's picky about it.
She ain't picky, she prissy. Chew it, fat boy.
Don't be like me.
That's that skin.
Don't be like me now.
Yeah, country white boy, the human garbage disposal, y'all.
Yeah, I can eat it.
Mikey likes it.
Mikey likes it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Let me walk close to the camera. We the business.
We the
What was you saying?
We the business.
We the what?
Business. We got country white boy. We got big boy stomp.
Big Adrian.
Hey, y'all. Y'all stay prayed up, stay out the way. Y'all make sure y'all tell a friend to tell a friend. Make sure y'all share our videos. Make sure y'all. Anyway, now y'all share our videos. Hey, tell a friend to tell a friend, man.
Come join the BBK family.
Yes, we the business, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Hey, 'cause it's going down.
See you
Y'all
later,
make sure y'all
BBK
hit that
family.
like button.
Hit the like button, drop a comment,
Yes.
smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.